Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I want to be very quick on this one. But before we go any further, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. Thanks everyone to, it was my first 3 days back. I had so many good, feedbacks from everyone. So I'd like to see everyone back again into the webinar, into next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. All right. Make sure you go into the link in the description and join us on the Telegram group, because this is where I send the link as soon as I start the video, as soon as I start the webinar every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So, okay, we had the release from, we had some releases from USA today. We had the retail sales, as well, the core retail sales, and the initial jobless claims. The exportation price index and the import price index. So the retail sales came in 0.4% from the consensus of 0.6%, so a little bit lower than what it was projected. Somewhat expected, okay, somewhat expected, because we had a very weak inflation. We had a higher number on higher reading on the labor market, but we had a lower number on the PPI and a lower number on the CPI, meaning that the people are not spending much as everyone was expecting to. So basically, if they're not spending much as they, was expecting to, therefore the retail sales would be lower because they're not spending money, right? So that much, that release was very well, I think was very well forecasted. The core retail sales came in 0.4 from the consensus of 0.5, so 0.1% lower. But the interesting thing here is that the retail sales from November was actually revised up to 0.8%. So that was a big increase, okay? This may fulfill some spending into the first quarter, into this next first quarter. So we have to understand whether, the Bank of, whether the FMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, will continue to have only 125 basis points priced in. Because up to now, from 1 to 8 meetings, 1 to 8 meetings they have into this year, only one meeting is expected to cut, and this is on May, all right? So if nothing changes on the data, it may continue to be like this. If we continue to have more weaker and weaker labor market and CPI, that was not the case of the last releasing of the labor market, we have a possibility of the Fed cutting maybe 3 times. So let's have, let's wait and see the next data. As well, we had, we have the core retail sales and the core retail sales, the month-over-month and the year-over-year for UK getting out today. Most likely it will be negative as well for, not negative, but lower than expected as well, pushing more pressure into the pound, right? My analysis for the pound is short on the pound, especially against GBP, JPY, especially against the Japanese yen. There is a possibility of 95% of possibility that the Bank of Japan hike 25 basis points into the next meeting. All right, guys, so stay tuned into the market, because next week will be crucial for Japanese yen, and I will be here updating everyone. If you're not yet on the Telegram, grab now the link and join us, so you have the link every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday to join us on the webinar. Guys, thank you so much. Have a great weekend, and I chat to you on Monday. See you guys. Bye-bye.